So this is question 43, multiply strings. Given two non-negative integers num1, num2 representing as strings, return product of num1, num2 also represented as a string. So basically it's just a multiplication, but the input and output is in strings, which means that we might encounter some cases where num1 is very long. And you can see that in the note, both the length is less than 110, which means that we'll probably have an overflow if we just simply convert that to an integer and multiply and then convert to a string. And only contain digits 0 to 9 and do not contain any leading 0 except the 0 itself. Must not use any built-in library. So the algorithm to solve this problem is that using the formula that we calculate multiplication by hand, as we learned in middle school or elementary school, and we're just using some for loop to simulate that process. So we can first consider some base cases. If nums1 so this is a base case where one of them is 0. So we're using these digits to store, the final answer. So we're first going to calculate the current digit, or the multiplication, which is num1 at I. So we'll get a digit or an integer num2 caret j minus 0. And then we're going to add this to the previous digit that is on the same position, which will probably result to have a carry on. Digits I plus j plus 1 plus more, and our carry on. So digits I plus j, which is the place where we want to add this carry on, and digits I plus j plus 1 some percentage 10. So after going through these two for loops, it will result to have the correct value stored in the digits, and then we only need to use the string builder to convert digits into strings. So there's also a case where we want to skip the preceding zeros. So if this is the case, SB is not equal to 0. We wanna append the result and simply return SB to string. Num1